Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Almond flour is a popular substitute for wheat flour. Many low-carb diet recipes use almond flour. In addition to almond flour, there is almond meal. What's the difference? Almond meal is made using the whole almond, including the skin. Almond flour is made using blanched almonds where the skin's removed. It's easy telling the two apart, since the skin in almond meal gives it a darker color compared to almond flour. Like many products sold in the US, to add to confusion, almond flour and almond meal are used interchangeably. The sign for this product says almond flour when it's actually almond meal. Almond flour can cost more than almond meal due to the added process of removing the skin. Almond meal and flour are interchangeable, but can produce different results in recipes because grind size is not standardized. A coarse grind will produce a coarser texture versus a fine grind. To cut costs, skins from almond flour can be added to almond meal. Nutritionally, there is very little difference between almond flour and almond meal. All these values are averages, so they'll vary slightly from brand to brand. Due to its high fat content, there are significant differences in equivalent weights of almond flour and whole wheat flour. While significantly higher in carbohydrates, whole wheat flour has about 55% less calories. Whole wheat flour has slightly more fiber, but is significantly lower in protein. Almond flour also has about 17 times the omega-6 fatty acids compared to whole wheat flour. It's a good source of calcium and vitamin E, which is not surprising since vitamin E is fat soluble. Almond flour is also a good source of potassium. A common question on low-carb recipe sites is substituting almond flour for coconut flour. The two are not interchangeable. Almond flour is significantly higher in fat than coconut flour, while having a lower water content than coconut flour. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!